HP Pavilion 15.6-inch FHD backlit keyboard gaming laptop PC. Review deal discount unboxing setup. I am impressed with how fast the computer is with the 256 SSD for boot, and 2 TB total storage, working very fast now, after way too long on last year's HP Pavilion 1.6 GHz with 8 RAM and 1 TB hard drive that took a couple minutes to boot. This boots in 12 seconds. I feel so much more productive and thrilled with the company too. They got it to me in 2 days, free shipping via Prime. So far so good, but ready to download my old Mosey 10 years old backup pics, just 80 gig, back onto this computer's 2 TB so I can wade through and organize and reminisce how my teen got to be ready or college this year. This computer works all our photos of properties we build and land development aerial shots, markups, and is great in graphics, CAD programs I use for architectural designs, and I open 10 windows at once on internet and it does not even hesitate. Question though, for company, where is the battery compartment? I like to carry a couple extras, even though this one lasts twice as long as my last HP. And can I add another stick of 8 GB DDR4 RAM or do I need to find a 16 GB RAM chip? Have been using the HP for 2 months now and it is impressive. It represents great value for money for such a fast laptop. The 256 GB SSD boots lightning quick and is large enough to have Windows and all your major software on it. I have set up my Windows to use Drive D as default for all data activities so that no little data is wastes the relatively small 256 GB SSD. Managing all your data on the D drive does however require some relatively easy setup, but still and exercise and can complicate backups etc. The 2018 quad-core i7 processor is very fast and also energy efficient, running cool and protect battery life. Screen is great and the backlit keyboard very useful as well. Still getting used to the relatively shallow travel keys of the keyboard, but I am getting there. I like the fan heat outlet in front of the screen rather than to the side of the laptop. Sound is great for a laptop. Fast Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4. Large 2 TB internal hard drive for data. It does have a slimline integral DVD drive, which is a great legacy plus. I don't use it often, but if you have to, then it is there. Weight is average for this type of larger 15.6 inches laptop. Laptop feels slim and certainly not bulky. A few downsides. 1. Only 2 USB 2/3 ports. This is very limiting as I use an external wireless mouse, leaving me effectively with just one USB port. The new USB-C port is a great feature, although I don't have flash disks or applications other than GoPro for it yet. 2. For such a fast i7 laptop, the 5400 revolutions per minute hard drive is relatively slow. A 7200 would have been much more useful. I contemplate to replace mine and use this slower one for external backup. 3. Windows 10 Home Edition excludes users from Windows BitLocker drive encryption. This is huge schlep for me. 4. I miss an integral VGA port, must carry a HDMI/VGA converter with me all the time for compatibility with older legacy data projectors, of which there are still many around. Overall, comes highly recommended. Fast i7 laptop that represents excellent value for money. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.